Hey, Ted here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for Bitcoin. I'll cover wave analysis with the Elliott Wave theory and provide multiple scenarios the price may take and explain why I prefer one count over another. Let's take a look at the different possibilities. Starting here on 30-minute time frame, and today we're going to be focusing on this structure over here starting from the 13th of October lows. Since then, again, we had a few different options, but again, how they are related to higher time frame, we'll see. We have a few different options here on a bit higher time frame, in which we would have this as a W, looking for X and then a Y. Within this X wave, we would have completed this W wave, X wave, and now we would be looking for that wave Y to complete the X wave before again pulling down for that possible wave Y. Other scenarios we have is, for example, this one, where we have this as a contracting diagonal into a wave A, looking for that wave B, and then looking for downwards again. So both the higher time frame scenarios are looking a bit upwards before we are actually looking for more downside. Yesterday we were looking at this count, where we were having this as a wave A with a 5-wave structure, then 5-wave structure coming down as another A wave of a substructure of that larger, or this micro B here, and within that B we would have this as a 3-wave structure here. I thought this was going to be end here. It had very good look on it, so yeah, it definitely felt really nice to have there already completed. But now we had this very weird looking structure that the only way we can label this is, I feel like, a diagonal here as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 expanding diagonal, very rare in itself, just taking out the previous highs of that third and then reverting back down. Now I think this exact count was what Kotup had in Discord. I had a bit different view on this, but again, this is very viable as well, having this as an ABC. Within that C where we would have this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I feel like this might be even better than the one that I had, which is again this one, in which we would have this as a ABC instead of that WXY. In here we would have this as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It is a bit more proportional this wave 4 here, but again, we don't have real good alteration between the fourth and second here, so that's why I guess I could be preferring the other one. Also, with this wave, we would have to say that wave A here is actually a 5-wave structure, and in which again we would have to say that we would have something like this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 in here, which again definitely don't have a really good look for it. So yeah, that is definitely something to keep in mind. Both the scenarios are, however, on higher time frame are the same, saying that we have a wave here, 3-wave structure, up into these highs of B, where we have significant pivots like that, getting to that 1.382 extension, and yeah, on higher time frame we don't get really any retracement levels fit very well, but this is still the count that I'm looking for. I had my stop loss still at the 1.618 here, and I'm still looking for downwards pressure now that we would possibly complete this wave structure downwards for this C wave, or sorry, the B wave upwards before heading down for that C wave. Now the targets are currently, if this holds this high, we would be looking at the 1-to-1 around 18.7k, at which we have the golden pocket as well around 18.7k. So that is the main target at this very moment if we do not take out the current highs. It is possible that we are having this as some kind of diagonal, or just a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't think we had any overlap here, so it could be that just a basic impulse wave structure coming down. But yeah, that is the main idea at the moment. I don't really have anything, any counts that if we take out the highs, I don't really have anything for that at the moment. So I would need to take a closer look at the markets at that point, if that is going to be happening. To me, this looks a bit better with a 5-wave structure than anything else. I don't think that it would look good with a 3-wave structure in here, 3 waves, possible 3 waves, and then 3 waves. It's just going to be getting more messy than this current structure, so that's why I don't prefer it. But yeah, I feel like that is something that we might be looking at today, this dump, or at least this start of that, taking out this the lows of A wave and then heading up for that C wave higher. But of course, nothing is confirmed and nothing is for sure or certain. Market can do whatever it wants, and these are just some of the probabilities that I see here happening. But I feel like that is pretty much everything I wanted to share on Bitcoin at this moment. If you made it this far into the video, I would appreciate the likes. Link to my free Discord server in the description below. And for now, I thank you for watching and hope you have an amazing rest of your day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.